Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. So, children, welcome back to Grade 5 Mathematics Online class. So, children, in the previous class, we have started the Unit 9, that is metric measures, is it? So, in this lesson, we have discussed about unit of length, then unit of mass, and unit of capacity. Is it, ma'am? So just we can revise the things what we learned in the previous class. Okay. So first one is unit of length. Unit of length. So we know that basic unit of length is meter. Okay. Meter is the basic unit of length. And also if you arrange the unit of length from higher order to lower order means we will arrange it like kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay, so while you are arranging the unit of length from higher to lower order means we will arrange it as kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. We know that kilometer is the highest unit of length. Okay, kilometer is the highest unit of length and millimeter is the lowest unit of length. Millimeter is the lowest unit of length and the basic unit of length is meter. Okay. And next we have discussed about unit of mass. Second thing is unit of mass. And we know that gram is the basic unit of mass. Gram is the basic unit of mass. And here also when you are arranging the unit of mass from higher to lower order means we will arrange it from kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and the milligram. Okay. So while you are arranging the unit of mass from higher to lower order means we will arrange it as kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. And we know that kilogram is the highest unit of mass. Kilogram is the highest unit of mass and milligram is the lowest unit of mass. Milligram is the lowest unit of mass. And the basic unit of mass is gram. Basic unit of mass is gram. And third thing is unit of capacity. Unit of capacity. And liter is the basic unit of capacity. Liter is the basic unit of capacity. And in the unit of capacity, we will arrange the unit from kiloliter, then hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. So, when you are arranging the unit of capacity from the higher to lower order means we will arrange it from kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. And we know that kiloliter is the highest unit of capacity. Kiloliter is the highest unit of capacity and milliliter is the lowest unit of capacity. Milliliter is the lowest unit of capacity and the liter is the basic unit of capacity. Okay. So children, next we have discussed about how to convert the unit of length, mass and capacity. Is it? So while you are converting the higher unit to lower unit means you have to multiply. Okay. While you are converting higher unit to lower unit means you have to multiply the numbers. And if you are going to convert lower unit to higher unit means you have to divide. Okay. And you must be thorough with the tables. Okay. We have 3 tables now. We learned 3 tables. The unit of length, unit of mass and unit of capacity. So, if you are going to convert from one unit to next unit, okay, that means one jump if you are moving means, and also if you are converting from higher to lower means you have to multiply with the 10 for one jump. If it is 2 jump means you have to multiply with 100. 3 jump means you have to multiply by 1000. Likewise, it will be goes on. And also, if you are moving from lower to higher means, if it is 1 jump means you have to divide by 10. 2 jump means you have to divide by 100 and if it is 3 jump means you have to divide it by 1000 and it will be goes on like this. Okay. So today we are going to learn about how to multiply the units of length, mass and capacity by the numbers. Okay. So let's start today's class. So children, now we are going to see Roman number 5 multiplication. Roman number 5 multiplication. Okay, so first question, multiply 6 meter 45 centimeter by 8. We are going to multiply 6 meter and 45 centimeter by which number ma? By 8. Okay, so now we can start the answer by writing solution first. Okay, then we have to write the units. Okay, what are units present in this question? Meter and centimeter. Okay, so first we can write meter, second one is centimeter. Okay, so when you are writing the units of this question given here, you have to separate it and write. Okay, leave a place and write. So how many meters are here? Yes, 6 meter. Okay, we can write 6 here. Next, how many centimeter? Yes, 45 centimeter. Okay, under the meter we can write 6 and under the centimeter we can write 45. Next, we are going to multiply these two numbers, that is these two units, by 8. Okay, we are going to multiply by 8. Okay, so we all know the table of 8 now. So we have to use the 8 table and multiply by this number. Here we have to multiply 8 with the first 5, that is 1 digit. Okay, 5 is the 1 digit number. First we have to multiply by 8. So 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32 and 5 8s are what ma? 40. 5 8s are 40. So we can write 0. Okay, 40 means the ones place we have what ma? 0 and the tens place we have 4. So 4 is a remainder value. Okay, we can write in the next number above. Okay, next we have to multiply 4 with 8. Okay, next to 4 is the tens place value we have to multiply the 4 with the 8. Next we can repeat the 8 table once again. So 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32. Okay, 4 8s are what ma? 4 into 8 is 32. Next we have the remainder 4. So 32 plus 4 is 36. Okay, 32 plus 4 is 36. So we can write the 36. So that means 6, that is ones place here. Okay, then next 36 no. So 3 is the balance. Next we can write the next place value above. Okay, next place value is what ma? 6. Okay, that is 100 places. 6 into 8. Next we can repeat the 8th table. Okay, so up to getting 6 into 8. So 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40 and 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. Next we have to add 48 with the 3. 48 plus 3 is what ma? 51. 51. So we can write 1 and here 5. So 51. Okay, so now we have multiplied the 6 meter 45 centimeter by 8 and we got the answer as 51 meter. Okay, 51 meter. Okay, under the meter we have 51 and under the centimeter we have 60. So while you are multiplying 6 meter and 45 centimeter by 8, we get the answer as 51 meter. Okay, 51 meter and 60 centimeter. So from here we can write the answer. So answer is equal to 51 what ma? 51 meter and 60 centimeter. Okay, 51 meter and 60 centimeter. So if you want to multiply the numbers means first we have to write the units. Okay, what are unit present in this question? 6 meter and 45 centimeter multiplied by 8. So first we can write the meter. Okay, that means first unit. Okay, meter and second unit is centimeter is given. So meter and centimeter. Next we have to leave it one line to write the remaining values. Okay, next how many meters are present in this question? 6 meter and how many centimeters? 45 centimeter. Okay, 6 meter and 45 centimeter. That two units we have to multiply by which number? 8. So we have to multiply by 8. So first we have to start by the ones place. So yeah, multiply the 8 with ones place first, then tens place and 100 place. So 5 8s are first ones place. 5 8s are 40. So 0, 4 balance is there. Next 4 8s are 32 plus 4 is 36. So 6 is the ones place and 3 is the balance. Okay, 36 means 6 we can write here, 3 is the balance. Next in the 100 place we have 6. So we have to multiply 6 with the 8. Okay, 6 with 8. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48 plus 3 balance. So 48 plus 3 is 51. 51. So when you multiply the 6 meter and 45 centimeter by 8, you will get the answer as 51 meter. Okay, 51 meter and 60 centimeters. Okay, 51 meters and 60 centimeter. Okay, have you understood, ma? Next we can move on to next problem. So children, next question we have, find 16 liter 120 milliliter multiplied by 17. 16 liter, okay, 16 liter and 120 milliliter we have to multiply by what, ma? 17. Okay, so we can start to write the answer by writing the solution first. Okay, then we can write the unit present in this question. Okay, what are unit present in this question? Yes, liter and milliliter. Okay, two units are there. That is, first one is liter and second one is milliliter. So we can write the unit present in this question first. Next we have to leave it one line to write the remaining values. Okay, don't forget that. Next, under the liter, how many liters are present? Yes, 16 liter. Okay, 16 liters. While you are writing the numbers, you have to leave the gap and write. The unit also leave the gap and write. So 16 liter, and how many milliliters are given in this question? 120. Okay, 120 milliliter and 16 liter. We have to multiply with the which number? We have to multiply by 17. Okay, that's a 2-digit value. Okay, 17. So first we have to multiply the 7 with all the numbers. Okay, we have to multiply 17. No, so first ones place we have 7. So we have to multiply the 7 with all the numbers from the right side to left side. Okay, that means ones place to next places. Okay, so first we have to multiply 7 with the 0. Okay, 7 into 0 is what? We know that if any number is multiplied by 0, we will get the answer as 0. So 7 into 0 is 0. Next, 2 into 7. 2 sevens are. 2 sevens are what, ma? 2 sevens are 14. Is it? 1 7 is 7. 2 sevens are 14. So 14 means in the ones place we have 4 and 1 will be the balance. That one balance we won't write the next place value above. Okay, so 2 sevens are 14. We can write the 4 here and 1 balance in the next place value above. Okay, next we have to multiply with the 1 into 7. Okay, 1 into 7, the 100 place with the 7. Okay, 1 sevens are 7. Is it, ma? 1 sevens are 7 plus 1 balance is there. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. Next we have to multiply 7 with the 6. 7 into 6. So we have to say the tables on the table once again. 1 7 is 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. And 6 sevens are 42. Okay. So 1 7 is 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. And 6 sevens are 42. 42. So in 42, 2 is the ones place. So we can write 2 here. That is 2 is the ones place value. No, so we can write it 2 here and 4 is the balance. We can write the next place value above that. So above the 1 we can write the balance number. That means 4. Okay. Next we have to multiply 1 with the 7. Okay, 1 into 7. 1 sevens are 7. Okay, is it? And plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. So we can write 11. Okay. So we have multiplied this all numbers by 7 first. Next, in the next place value is what, ma? Tens place. In the tens place we have 1. Next we are going to multiply 1 with all the numbers. Okay, 1 with all the numbers. Okay. So here when you are multiplying the numbers, and we have to start to write from where? From the tens place, because 1 belongs to the tens place. So we are going to multiply the tens place with the numbers now. So we have to start from the tens place value. That means here. Okay. So next, 1 into 0. 1 into 0 is 0. We know that if you multiply any number with the 0, we will get 0. So 1 into 0 is 0. Next, 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. Yes, 1 2 is 2. Next, 1 1 is 1. So we can write the next place here. 1. Next, 1 into 6 is 6. Next, 1 into 1 is 1. So we have multiplied first 7 with all the numbers and next 1 with all the numbers. Now we can add this two values. Okay, now we can add the two values. So 0 here, no value is there. So what will come here? 0 here. Okay. Next, 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Next, 8 plus 2 is what, ma? 8 plus 2 is 10. So we can write 10 means 0 here and 1 is the balance. Okay, 1 is the balance. Okay. So next we have to add 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Next, 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So from here, if you multiply 16 liter and 120 milliliters with 17 means you will get 274 liters and 40 milliliters. Okay, when you are multiplying 16 liters and 120 milliliter by 17, we will get the answer as 274 liters and 40 milliliters. So from here we can write the answer. So answer is equal to 274 liters and 40 milliliters. Okay, 274 liter and 40 milliliters. Okay, I understood this. Next we can move on to the next problem. So children, next third problem. What is 5 times 8 liter 123 milliliters? What is 5 times 8 liter 123 milliliters? Okay, so we can start the answer by writing the solution. Look at here ma, in this question here it's not given. Okay, we are going which number we are going to multiply by this numbers. What is given here? What is 5 times? Okay, 5 times means we have to multiply with the 5 with this liter and milliliters. Okay, we have to multiply 8 liter and 123 milliliters by 5. Okay, so first we can write the units present in this question, that is liter and milliliter. Okay, liter and milliliter. So how many liters are here? Yes, 8 liters and how many milliliters? 123 milliliters. 123 milliliters. We have to multiply with which number ma? 5 times. Okay, 5 times multiply by 5. So multiply by 5. Okay, now we can multiply this numbers. So first we have to multiply from the right side to left side number. So 5 into 3. Okay, 5 3s are 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Is it? 3 5s are 15. So we can write 5, that is 1's place value. 10's place we can write as the remainder as the next place. Okay, next place above we can write. Next 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is there, no? 10 plus 1 is 11. So we can write 1 and 1 will be the balance. That one we can write in the next place value above. Okay, so 11 means we can write 1 here, 1 balance will be there. Next multiply 1 with the 5. 1 into 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, 5 into 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6. Next we have to multiply 8 with the 5. 8 with the 5. So we know the table of 5, you know, is it? So 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35 and 8 5s are 40. Is it my 8 5s are 40? So we can write 0 4. Okay, that is 40. So children, from here we can say if you multiply 8 liter and 128 milliliter by 5, that is 5 times. If you multiply 8 liter and 128 milliliter by 5 means you will get the answer as 40 liters. Okay, 40 liters and 615 milliliters. Okay, 40 liters and 615 milliliters. Okay, from here we can write the answer. Answer is equal to 40 liter and 615 milliliters. Okay, 40 liters and 615 milliliters. Okay, so have you understood ma? I hope you understand. So we can move on to the homework problems. Okay, so children, have you completed the previous class homework? I hope you did. Okay, so first we can check the answers of the homework problem in the previous class. So first homework problem, you want to convert 42 liter to milliliter, isn't it? You want to convert 42 liter to milliliter. The answer is 42,000 milliliters. Okay, I have written only the answers alone. I didn't write the steps. Okay, so answer is what ma? 42,000 milliliters. Okay, next problem you have 1380 milliliters. You want to convert to liters and also you have to convert to milliliters. Okay, 1380 milliliters you want to convert to liter and milliliters. The answer is 1 liter 380 milliliters. Okay, 1 liter and 380 milliliters. Okay, so children, today's homework is find 34 kilograms 111 grams multiplied by 9. Find 34 kilogram 111 grams multiplied by 9. Next one, multiply 10 meter 23 centimeter by 21. Multiply 10 meter 23 centimeter by 21. So children, very simple questions only. Okay, so do the homework today itself. Okay, and we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye. Thank you.